Hi. I know black against black is not the most obvious choice one should make, and it's not the smartest choice, but I that's what I'm feeling on the inside, so I am exercising my right to wear whatever the fuck that I want, so I hope you don't mind. For the past 2 days, it feels like my life is being written by Anurag Kashyap, and it's a film that is being made on thread budget. पर ये पैसा मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, ये पैसा मुझसे लिया जा रहा है. In the past 2 days, I have lost 1100 plus 700 plus 23,000 rupees. कितना होता है यार? इतना तो मुझे मैथ्स भी नहीं आता. मतलब I don't deserve this. I really don't deserve this. I don't know what the fuck. Like if I never do online shopping. I hate online shopping. It's a scam, man. Fast guys, don't shop online. Never ever shop fucking online. It's fast fashion is ruining. I talked to 3 levels of these Myntra customer care executives. I don't shop online. It was a sale. My brother did it. Blah blah blah. His account. 2 of their packets. 3 they won't take back. They had a data mismanagement bullshit, whatever. Refusing to take back my packets. Lodging a complaint after 4 days, and then only make an exception for 1 of them. What am I supposed to do with the other 2? Eat them? Wear them? Shit out Myntra clothes? What the fuck? And 1100 gone there. The next day, I have this huge trolley bag in which I've kept my stuff because I don't have enough room in my space or a wardrobe. So I've borrowed this bag from my friend who's now going to London. So I have to travel all the way before my drama school classes to land this bag with him, to give him this bag. It's exhausting. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I'm running late. 8:30, 9. I have a class at 10. I have to reach South Bombay. Their trains are running late. There's an AC train that's running late, comes in the time of my train. I climb on it. Why the fuck should I account for your delay with my time? I don't have it. I don't have the time. I don't have the money. What the fuck? But it was the last dabba of that train. Ladies, Dadar station, TT comes in, charges me $330. उसको कौन बताएगा यार? मेरे पास था टिकट, मैं अपनी ट्रेन में जाने वाली थी, तुम्हारी ट्रेन लेट है, तो मैं क्या करूँ इसमें? मैं क्यों भैंस के आऊँ तुम्हें दूँ 350 रुपये? तुम ठीक है, 1100 गए, 350 गए. हाँ, दैट वाज नॉट इनफ. उसी रात को I had gotten a brand new assembling kind of a table. You know those things which has like tables and rods which you can like screw up and assemble. Screw up. Yeah, that's what happens. I screwed that fucking table with wheels and shit. The wheel came off. My laptop was on it. Bang! Bang! Fucking bang! Gir gaya bhai. Broke, man. I broke. I've never broken something as expensive as a laptop. Fucking took it to the service center today. 23,000. How can I lose around 31,000 into what? And as if that wasn't enough, as if that was not enough, by the way, अगले दिन मतलब जिस मेरा मिंत्रा होता है, चलान करता है, टेबल टूटता है रात को, अगले दिन सुबह जब मैं ट्रेन में जा रही हूँ, फिर से इनकी ट्रेनें लेट है. I have calculated why the fuck should I pay for your delay, right? मुझे 4 free AC ट्रेन की rides चाहिए so that I can compensate for the fucking money that you've taken from me. But you know what? कहते हैं कि जब किस्मत ख़राब हो तो ऊँट पे बैठे बौने आदमी को भी कुत्ता काटे. शायद मैंने किसी फिल्म में सुना था, बट ऐसा होता है. ओके, इट्स अ थिंग. द ट्रेन इज टेकिंग टू मेनी हॉल्ट्स. ओके, इट हॉल्ट्स ट्वाइस बिफोर माई स्टेशन, थ्राइस, राइट? सो आई मिस्टेक अ स्टेशन बिफोर माइन फॉर माइन बिकॉज आई एम लाइक ऑलरेडी 4 बार रुक चुकी है, अब तो मेरा ही स्टेशन होगा. और मैं थोड़ी जल्दी में हूँ, मैंने नहीं देखा. मेरा दिमाग का बाय द वे भोसड़ा हो रखा है बाय दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, आई एम सॉरी, एक्सक्यूज माई पार्डन माई फ्रेंच. Wrong station. Again last डब्बा. I'm like, wow bro, मैं एक free AC train की journey कर चुकी हूँ. 3 left to go. I step out of the train. The TT is standing right in front of me. I have been cut a challan like 24 hours before this. Fuck. What the fuck? It takes 330 rupees again. Number this. I'm a great person. Okay. I try to be as good as I can. Which is, by the way, the threshold is a lot. I don't deserve this. Simple. I do not deserve this. No one deserves this, not just me. No one deserves to lose so much money for no fault of their own, honestly. कौन decide करता है कि हमें किसको कितने पैसे देने हैं? What is the system? Like, if you can't account for your train times, why should I fucking pay for it with my time or money? Right? If your delivery executive does not match the number on the seal and your company is fucked up, मैं क्या करूँ इसमें भाई? मैं क्या करूँ? नहीं करूँगी तुम्हारी से शॉपिंग कभी भी. और ये टेबल का तो मतलब पूछो ही मत. वॉबल नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं. फकिंग जस्ट गॉन, जस्ट वेंट. So now you know why I'm wearing black. I have talked about this so much, I feel like. As much as I could in these 48 hours. My brain is fried. My bank balance, bleak! Bleak is the word. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope this never happens to you or anyone else.